Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can harvest dandelion seed through crossbreeding in Heartopia game, Dreamlight Cinematics Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, one of the gardening challenges here is harvesting one dandelion seed through crossbreeding. To complete this quest, you need to plant dandelion flower in your garden, and you can get the dandelion seed from Blank's gardening store. And remember that you can only buy the flower seed after you unlock level 2 in your gardening hobby. Okay, I've already planted the dandelion flowers in my garden. So this is how the dandelion flower looks like. You need to plant it, and to trigger the crossbreeding guys, you need to plant two flowers of different colors nearby. And when they are ready to harvest, don't immediately harvest it. You need to keep watering them until you can trigger the crossbreeding process. Okay, and my crossbreeding process is already successful, so I can harvest the seed now. Okay, I got orange dandelion seed from combining the red dandelion and also the yellow dandelion. Okay, and let's see the quest. Okay, I can claim the reward. Now the quest has been completed. And yeah, you just need to keep watering your flowers until you can trigger the crossbreeding process. Okay guys, and that's how you can harvest a dandelion seed through crossbreeding. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!